Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To do the taillight, first you need to let the tailgate down. So we'll come over here, grab the tailgate handle, open it up. Inside here, you're going to notice a T25 Torx screw right here and right here. We're going to remove both of those with a T25 Torx bit on a ratchet. All right, there's one. Okay. And at this point, you should be able to just kind of pull on it, and it'll slide right off of these two tabs. You can see right here and right here. They line up with the tabs on the body, which hold it in place. We'll turn this 45 degrees and pop the upper light out. And we'll do the same on the bottom. Pop that bulb out. And now your taillight is completely removed from the truck. To reinstall, you put your lower bulb in. It's the smaller one. And you'll turn it about 45 degrees to lock it in place. Up here, you'll do the upper bulb. Same thing, turn it 45 degrees and lock it in place. To reinstall, you just want to slide these tabs over these clips, like so. Now we're going to take our T25 screws and our socket and put them right back in the holes. And these are something that want to just be tightened just over hand tight. It's very easy to tighten these too much and start breaking things. So you basically just want to, if you're putting your muscle from your elbow into it, you're putting too much. You just want to use like a little bit of your hand muscle to get this done. That is plenty. And now it's installed. Now we can shut the tailgate and be done.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.